Nabuta ko lang kasi mga ganyan sa studio.
Ay, siyempre, tao nagpapalit.
Baby com na ako doon. O tama dahil yung friendship ng studio.
Great na, napalit na every year lang yung yung mga pag-iisip, mga perspective sa inyo. Napapalit na.
Well, of course, we were surprised. But at the same time, you know, kasi we hadn't seen her na for some time, di ba? Parang hindi na sila nag-perform for some time. Hinahanap ko nga kanina kung ano yung last performance niya. But I remember Pilitas, I mean, we did a movie together, you know, yung mga ganon, pareho pa ng mga medyo matapag-kapan ng Muslim. Well, she was always a happy very boisterous, yeah, she will be missed.
Pwede mga public memory ka sa kanya yung mga
well, alam mo yun na nga, hindi masyado. Yun lang yun, yung shooting namin nung pelikula yun ni Maning Borlasa, you know, and tatlo silang nanay. Parang ano, they'll give me the same house. So yun na, I wasn't really very close to her, you know, in that way. But I did work with her.
Gano'ng kalaking kawala sa inyo?
Oh, well, I mean, siyempre nagdaratingan na yung mga bagets, di ba? Pero kita mo naman kung ano contribution niya sa music, lalo na OPM, no? I think, I would say that she was one of the, how do you call it, the one of the people who actually established OPM. So, yeah, she will be missed. Pero nga nandito, you know, kahapon na nandito kahapon sa Regalado, you know, so all of these musicians used to work with her, you know, obviously, you know, very fun memories of her. Yeah, si Butch Elisandro, kaya, gitarista din yan, mga bago.
Sir, when you hear the name Pelita, ano yung unang word na naiisip niyo?
Today come along with a song.
Yeah.
Yung mga ganun kanta.
Diba? Tapos, may napanood kami ng wife ko yesterday when she started out sa Australia. Meron lumabas na video, very cute. Para siyang fantasy stuff ng isang magician. Parang ganun pa nila yung galing. Ang galing. So, it's really phenomenal. And yun na nga, you know, we have to say goodbye.
Okay.
At a certain point in our lives, you know. Sana ako malayo-layo lang. But she will be missed. She will really be missed.
Thank you, sir.